Dear colleagues, dear ladies and gentlemen, after these challenging times during the pandemic, I'm really happy to invite you to this year's Masterclass of Minimal-Invasive Upper GI Surgery. During this course, we will have interesting talks by an international faculty. Also, we will have a wet lab, including cadaver training for all the participants who will be here in Mainz, but you can follow this also online. And also on the second day, we will have live surgery, including gastric and esophageal cancer surgery in a live setup, but also semi-live setup, where we can moderate and answer questions during the event. So, if you're interested, please log on or participate in this 2-day course here in Mainz. Thank you very much.